Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This task requires some basic tools and patience, but with our detailed instructions, you'll be able to handle it with ease. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver, specifically a T15 size, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety first. Now, examine the back cover of the vacuum where the trigger is located. You will see several Torx screws securing the cover in place. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. Once all screws are removed, gently pry off the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover off, you'll have a clear view of the internal components. Now, locate the old trigger mechanism. It's typically held in place by a couple of screws. Using your Torx screwdriver again, remove these screws to free the trigger. If the trigger is stuck, you may need to use your tweezers to gently pull it out. Before installing the new trigger, take a moment to clean the area around the trigger mechanism. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your vacuum. A soft cloth or a small brush can help with this task. If you're unsure about the cleaning process, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your vacuum runs smoothly. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure it moves freely and doesn't bind. If you encounter any issues during installation, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transport. After securing the new trigger, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Now, replace all the Torx screws to ensure the cover is tightly secured. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient solution for your vacuum repair needs. Finally, plug in your vacuum cleaner and test the new trigger to ensure it works correctly. If everything functions as expected, you've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12. If you encounter any problems or if you prefer to have a professional handle it, we offer a quote before repair to help you make the best decision. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.